Yeah, guys. So uh, this is the user. See, this kind of errors sometimes we can get. Initialization shutdown in progress. So what we will do is we'll try again once. So Scott and Tiger and click on OK. And then what will happen, guys? It might get connected. Okay. And if it is not getting connected, then we have to restart the Oracle from here. What we have to do is you will click on here and then start the run. So you have to click on Windows R and then you have to select that services.msc and click on OK. And from here services.msc, you can just select the Oracle. So here what you have to do is you have to just restart it because server gets down. So you can just restart it. And very simply, I have just written here also services. I have given the software. So you can just click on services and open the Oracle and then restart if you are facing any problem. Here you need to restart. Anyways, guys, this is got connected. And first command we will write is what? Set lines, which is used to set the line size. Set pages, which is used to set the page size. And then, guys, we will be moving to the table EMP. Select a star from EMP. And here there's a table EMP1. We'll take this as a reference, EMP1. So we learned some rules, guys. If you remember, first rule I told you that SQL is never case sensitive. SQL ends with a semicolon. Data in the columns are case sensitive, but the SQL is not case sensitive. This table name, column name, and this select and star and from, these are not case sensitive. And we can write SQL in any number of lines. Suppose select star from EMP1. So this will execute, guys. This is fine. We can write SQL in any number of lines. Now, if I write select star from EMP1, will this query execute? Tell me, guys, yes or no? Can someone tell me, will this query execute, Anu? Will this query execute?
Execute.
Yes, it will execute. SQL we can write in any number of lines, guys. Fine. But keywords, we cannot break it into two lines. Suppose I write SC and then I want to break this is a select is a keyword which has some special meaning and I click on enter, it will generate an error. Keywords cannot be written in two lines, but SQL can be written in any line, any number of line. SQL is not case sensitive. SQL ends with semicolon. To edit any SQL in this, we will use a command called as edit, and then one notepad will open, and here you can edit the query. Suppose I want to select the ename, so I can write select ename from EMP and then close it, save it, and then front slash enter. This is how we edit the query using edit or ed. And in this notepad, just do the changes, click on close button, and then front slash and enter. Am I clear till this much? Any doubts? Anu, any doubts? Yes or no?
No, all good. Thank you.
Fine. Keep responding, guys. Okay. Now, guys, this is fine. Now, we can also open SQL using the command prompt. What we have to do is just from here, just open the command prompt. Okay. So just open this command prompt and write here SQL plus. What you have to write? SQL plus. And then you can write the username. SCOTT, Scott is the username. Password is TIGER. So here also you can write the query set lines 1000 and then set pages 1000. I'm just taking 1000. You can take any number between the range, which I have already mentioned you. For line size is 37,000 around, and for page size it is 50,000. So this is a number I'm taking. Now I'm putting here select a star from EMP1. Fine, guys. Now this is the data. Here, what is the benefit, guys? If I use this screen, so what will happen is I can use for that page up arrow and directly this query will come. Page up, it is upper arrow is there, no? Directly this query will come. That is the benefit, and we can edit the query in between. Suppose I write select a star from and I want to change this star, so I can directly come here and I can just delete this and I can write ename and then I can edit the query here only. But the same thing will not work where, guys? in this SQL plus, in this what will happen in this screen, in this editor window, if I don't go through command prompt and I use the SQL plus editor window, what will happen is if I write select star from and I cannot go back. So what I have to do to edit it? Can someone tell me how can I edit this query if I want to edit? Can someone tell me, guys?
edit when
Yes.
you
Yes, we can use a edit command, guys, and then we can just use it. Fine, guys. We can just write here edit and then we can edit it. That is the way in SQL plus editor window, but in the command prompt editor window, these are called as editor window because we can edit and we can write the query. So we can just edit directly. We can go to back or front. This is the way also to execute the query in SQL in command prompt. Here also we can execute the query. Fine, guys. Now, if I want to clear the screen, what is the command? Do you remember? CL.
yeah.
This is what to clear the screen. Now select star from EMP1. Select star from EMP1 will give all the records and column from which table? From
EPM1.
EMP1 table. Are you able to understand, guys? This is the table name. What is the table name? EMP1. Star means what? All the rows and columns. From means what? Simple from English. Suppose I want to select an apple from a table. So what will be the English of that? Select apple from table. Similarly, if I want to select this column employee number from this EMP1 table, can you just tell me the query? Select employee number from which table? EMP1 table. If I want to select multiple columns, employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary, from which table? EMP1 table. If I want to select all the columns, can you tell me the query? Select star from EMP. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
If I want to get the description of the table, I will write DESC So guys, because of the here you can see the description of the table. Description of the table gives actually the column name and also its data type. Here it is not getting shown, but we will be able to see the column name and its data type. See, let us just try in the command prompt. So what we have to do to connect in the command prompt, I have to write SQL plus. Then what I have to give the username? Scott. Password Tiger. Fine, guys. Uh, Scott. Password is what, guys? Tiger. Fine, guys. Now what we have to set? First we have to set the line size and page size. Set pages 1000. And then if I want to see the description of the table, DESC EMP. Fine, guys. So if you see here, we can see that we can see what, guys? These are the column names, and this column name is what, guys? Suppose employee number, and what is his data type? This employee name, what is his data type? Data type I will teach you guys later. That what is a data type? There's some data type is number, some is varchars. What is this data type, guys? I'll tell you later. As of now, number, date, and character, all these are data type. This shows the description of the table. The command is DESC table name. So guys, now tell me, let me just open a notepad for you guys. So the query is today, let me just save this notepad so that so that we don't miss any notes. So today's date is, guys, is 19/09/2022. So my query to you is, first query is how to display all the records from a table. What is the answer for this? Can someone tell me the answer?
Select star from table name.
Select star from table name. Suppose EMP1 is the table name. Fine, guys. Excellent. Now, how to display the description of a table? So what is the query, guys? Description of a table. Description of the table. What is the query?
DESC
table name.
Table name. Suppose EMP1 is the table name. Fine. Now, guys, third query is how to display employee name and salary from the EMP1 table. So what is the query for this?
select
name from a salary from EMP1.
Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Now my question is for you guys. I told you where is what a filter condition. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Select star from EMP1. I told you where is a filter condition. What is the filter? If I want the employee number 7369. So what I will write? Select star from
Where
EMP1.
plan?
Where what? Employee number equals to what, guys? 7369. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
That means I have got this first record. Fine. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yeah.
So if I want only this column employee number and in that only this particular employee number 7499, can you try one query? I want only this thing 7499 displayed. Employee number 7499. Can everyone try and write in the chat, please? Try. First. I want only the column to be displayed as employee number. In that, the value I want is only what? 7499. Can you just try? Query to display employee number equals to 7499. Let's try this query, guys. And here we want the column to be displayed is only employee number. Only employee number column. In that, the value should be 7499. Try this query, guys. Select employee number from EMP1. The table name is EMP1. Okay. Where employee number equals to 7466, not it's 7499. Let's start from EMP1 where employee, yeah, guys, 71. Correct. No. No, I wanted only this employee number column. Fine. We have written star means what, guys? All the rows and columns. I don't want all the rows. I want only this employee number. Can everyone tell me what is the query? Select employee number, only this employee number from employee one table. Where what, guys? Employee number equals to what? 7499. Yes, guys, this is the query. Fine. Next query I want is to display the employee number equals to 7499 or salary equals to 3000. So what can be the query, guys? Can you just think? If I want the what I want employee number as 7499 and salary as 3000. What can be the query, guys? Select. Can everyone tell me the query? Select star from
Start from table name where
employee number equals to what?
equal to 7499 and
No.
sal-
This is not a and condition. This is a or condition. Or this or this. I have told what? This or this. Employee number equals to this or salary equals to 3000. So what will be the query? Or what? Salary equals to what, guys? 3000. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yep.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you have understood this much, so I want you to write a query to display department 10 or this department 20. Can you just write a query? Display the details of employee of department number equals to 10 or department number equals to 20. Write down the query. Anu has written the query. What is that query she has written? Select a star from EMP where department number in 10 and 20. Fine, guys. This is the correct query, guys. This is a very simple query. Department 10 or 20. What is the query, guys? Select a star from EMP 1 where what? Department number equals to 10 or department number equals to 20. Yes, guys. Correct. Yeah, simple query. So, guys, tell me now the output. Select a star from EMP1 where department number equals to 10 and department number equals to 20. Tell me the output. Oh, if you have understood, tell me the output. Anyone? Anu?
It will fetch all the data. 10 and also 20. Both. All records.
This is the table, okay? EMP table. Here the department 10 is there. Here the department 20 is there. So what will be the output? Anyone? What do you think, Samba? See, guys, it will not display any record. Why? There is no employee who is working in department 10 as well as in department 20. Fine.
Oh, okay.
This is what? Department 10 means what? This is an employee who is working in department 10. This is an employee who is working in department 20. So what query we wrote before, guys? Either he is working in department 10 or either is working in department 20. That's fine. But is there any employee who is working in department 10 also and department 20 also? There is no employee is working in department 10 also and department 20 also. Hence the output is what? No record selected. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah, okay.
So guys, this is very, very simple queries we are learning slowly. Now, if I want any distinct, no, we just use a distinct command. Okay, suppose I want the distinct department number, it will display the unique records from that particular column. Suppose I write what? Select distinct department number from EMP. So what will be the output, Anu? What do you think? See, let me just first tell you the entire table. Select star from EMP1. This is the table. Here there are so many department number. Now I am selecting only distinct department number. So what will be the output? That is what is my question. What will be the output?
10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is there.
40 is not there.
Okay. 10, 20, 30.
10, 20, 30, the unique values, guys, will not get any duplicate values. Anu, did you understood? We get the distinct value 30, 20, and then 10, only the distinct values. We can also write this same query in this way. Select unique department number from EMP1. This is the same query, guys. Are you able to understand? If we put a distinct or unique function, then what will happen, guys? We'll only get the unique value and will not get any duplicate values. That is what is the name as unique or distinct. Yes or no, guys?
Yep.
Yes. So there's a column called as hire date. Yes or no, guys? Yes. This is very important column. This is a date column. Suppose I want the employee whose hire date is 17 December 80. So can you just tell me what will be the query? Can someone tell me? Select a star from EMP1 where what?
Higher.
Hire date is equal to inverted quotes 17 December
17 then December 80. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now I want the list of employees who have joined in the year of 1981. Okay, so just try this query. Query to find the employees who joined in the year of 81. Okay, guys, before going to this query, tell me the employees whose salary is more than 800. What will be the query? Can you just tell me, guys, if I want the employees whose salary is greater than 800, what will be the query? Can someone tell me? Guys, can you just think about
Alex,
yeah, query to find employee whose salary is greater than 800. So what is the query for this? Can you just tell me? Select star from EMP1 where what, guys? Salary greater than what? Can I
18.
800? Fine, this is fine. And if I want salary greater than 800 and salary less than 3000, so what can be the query, guys? Select star from EMP1 where what, guys? Salary greater than 800 and salary less than what,
Less
guys?
than 3000.
3000. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So all the data between this range has come. So now my question to you is, if you have understood this much, I want the employees who has joined in 81. Can you just think? Think for 2 minutes for this query. Anu, are you trying? Tapashvi, what are you guys doing? Samba has used some function to care in that he is taking the year. You know, this is a wrong query, Samba. Can you just think why? Guys, you all don't use to care and all. You just write by greater than and less than. Can you just think why? Samba. Are you there, Samba? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Why this query is wrong? Can you just think?
I think why we need to
Yes,
mention.
yes. Now you got it. Because we cannot change the format. To query is used to change the date in a particular format, right? You are putting year, and you're writing year 81. This is not the correct format. You have to put the YY and then you have to equate with 81. Rest of you guys, Anu, are you trying?
So when I'm writing the year format, I'm not really sure how to do that. Equal to 81 is wrong, I know.
Yeah, just write down. No, see, guys, by doing mistakes, you will learn. That is the way. If we will hesitate in doing mistakes now, then it will be problem. Now you can do mistakes, no problem. No, this is a training session. Later on, when it is actual required, then that time we should not do mistakes. So doing mistake is correct, fine. Then you will never forget that. That's why I want you, everyone, to write in this chat box and learn. So that is why I request all of you to write down. Even Tapashvi, please write down here the query. Write down the chat box. Is it very difficult query, guys? I'm not able to understand. See, person who has worked in 81 means what, guys? Let me take the 7th query. What is the query, guys? Query to find employee who has worked or whose hire date is 81. So what is the query, guys? Can you just tell me? What is the query? See, 81 means what, guys? What is the first day of 81? Can you just tell me what is the first day of 81?
January 1st.
January. January, that means what? At least
Oh,
my minimum date is what? First of what?
01/01/1981.
Yeah, this is fine. Okay, this is the first date. Okay, and what is the last date, guys? Of any
31
31st of what?
December.
December 81. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Okay, so we need to give the date range. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so this is what is the higher date. Yes or no, guys? So what will be the query? Higher date greater than or equal to. It can be greater than or equal to. And
And
this
less than and equal to. Yeah.
this will be what, guys? Higher date
Less than or equal to.
less than or equal to. Yes or no, guys? And in between what operator? And yes or no, guys? And then what will write this? Select star from EMP1.
Yep.
Is it difficult, guys? Where?
No.
That's what you have to think little bit. Yeah, see, what will the query? Select a star from EMP1. Can you just tell me the query? Where? Higher date greater than equal to what, guys? Everyone tell me in single quotation what we have to write. First of Jan 81. Yes or no, guys? Yes. And higher date less than what, guys? Can you just tell me? Less than equal to what?
31st December.
31st December
81.
81. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no, guys? Yes. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the query. Is it difficult?
No.
It's very easy, right? All the employees who has been joined in the month of 81 is shown now. Yes or no, guys? Yes. No, guys. Now I want the employee whose salary is greater than and less than. If I use, guys, what I have to do, I always have to use greater than or equal to operator. So next thing what we are learning, guys, slowly is nothing but your operators. So operator works on the operands. Okay, so means the values. Suppose I take have you ever heard about arithmetic operator? Yes or no, guys? Arithmetic operator. Have you ever heard about that? Which are the arithmetic operator? There is something called as mod. There is something called as divide. Okay. There is something called as plus. All these things have you ever heard or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
We have heard arithmetic operator. Then there is something called as logical operators. Which are the logical operators, guys? Can you just tell me? And which are the relational operators? Have you ever heard about any of them? Which are the logical operator and which are the
Less than.
yeah, great, correct. Suppose relational operator is what, guys? Greater than, less than, then greater than equal to, then less than equal to. Yes or no, guys? Logical operator is what?
Not equal to.
And then or, then not. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. This is what. Then there is something called as not equal to. Fine, guys. These are the relational operator. Then there is something called as, guys, range operator. Range operator tells what, guys? Instead of using what? Greater than, equal to, and less than and equal to, use what? Use what, guys? Between and not between. Okay, fine, guys. This is what range operator. Suppose smaller value. First we'll write the smaller value and then and what we have to write here, guys? Larger value. Both the values are inclusive. Both the values are inclusive. This is what is the range operator. That means what, guys? I want the employee salary is greater than 2000 and less than 5000. Okay, less than or equal to. So what is the query, guys? My range to learn range operator, let us write a query. What is the query, guys? Employee, employee, okay, why M is coming? Employee whose salary is greater than or equal to 2000 and less than or equal to 5000. Tell me the query, guys. Can you just tell me?
Select
Start
start from EMP sal
where what?
where sal
Greater than equal to what, guys?
2000
2000 then
or
not. This is the and condition.
and yes, sorry, n
Uh,
less than
Salary less than or equal to what? 5000. Yes or no, guys? Yes. So instead of doing this, we are using an operator called as what, guys? Between. What we are writing? Where salary between what, guys? 2000
2000
and 5000.
5000.
That means what, guys? So is this between operator including this 2000 or not? Yes or no?
Yep.
And is it including this 5000 or not? Yes. And first we are taking what, which value? Lower value, and then we are taking which value, guys? Higher value. Am I clear with the range operator? Yes or no, guys? Tell me
Yep.
yes or no. Did I told you relational operator greater than equal to and all those things? Yes or no, guys? Did I told you a query salary greater than 8000? What is this operator, guys? What is this operator? Can you just tell me? Is it the relational operator or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yep.
Yes. And did I told you logical operator department 10 or 20? Yes or no, guys? Yes. So that is nothing but your logical operator. If I want to employ from department 10 or department 20, that is nothing but your logical operator. Fine, guys. What is the query for this? Details of employee of department 10 or 20. Can you just tell me the query? Select start from EMP1, where what? Department number equals to 10 or department number equals to what, guys? Can you just tell me the query? 20. Yes or no?
Yep.
So this is simple query, guys, and these are the three operators we have learned. Arithmetic operator means suppose I want to do plus, minus, divide, multiply. So I can do, there's a table called as dual, guys. In SQL, there's a table called as, in Oracle, there's a table called as dual. So it is used to perform any independent operations. See, only in Oracle we have this dual to perform any independent operation. So what dual happens is, suppose I want to know 88 into 96. So what I will do, select 88 into 96 from dual. So it will just give me an output 8448. So this is what is, guys, a dual to perform any independent operations. There's a table called as dual present in Oracle to get the fetch the values. This is called as dual. Am I clear, guys? Yes. So this is what is the mod, guys? Do you know what is mod? Have you ever heard about mod? This gives the reminder. Suppose mod 4 comma 2. So what will be the output, guys? Do you know that? Anyone has ever used mod in their life, in their entire career? Suppose 2 divided by 2. What will happen, guys? Have you ever heard about this? 2, if I divide by 4, so what happens? Do you know that? 2 2s are 4. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yeah.
If I then what is the output? 4. Then what is the final output, guys? Output is what, guys? 0. Yes or no? Yes. This is called mod, that the reminder value. So what is the mod? So mod 4 of 2 from 12. So the output will be 0. The reminder part, that is called as mod. Similarly, guys, this is called arithmetic operator. Then there is something called as a relational operator. Then there is something called as logical operator. Then there is something called as range operator. So these are the operators we have studied. First is arithmetic operator, plus, minus, divide, multiply. That is, the priority is same. First it is the division, then multiplication, all the BODMAS formula. And then there is something called as logical operator, and or not. There is something called as range of relational operator, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to. Then there is something called as, guys, range operator, between and not between. So guys, if I want department 10 or 20 or 30, what is the query, guys? Select star from EMP1, where what, guys? Department number equals to 10 or department number equals to 20, or can you just tell me, guys? Department number equals to what? 30. Yes or no, guys? So instead of writing or multiple times, we use a command called as in. What is the command? Select star from EMP1 where department number in small bracket we write what, guys? 10,
10, 20, 30.
30. This is another way because we don't want to write or multiple times. So we write in the bracket. So what is the error, guys, here? Can you just tell me?
Semicon.
The spelling of department number is wrong or not? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So how can we edit? Using which command? Ed,
Edit.
and then edit it. What I will write? DPT number. Then what I will do, guys? I'll click on this close button. Yes or no? Yes. Do you want to save? Yes. And then front slash enter. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So this in and not in is called as what, guys? List operator. There is one more operator, guys, called as what? List operator. So what is list operator, guys? There is two kind of list operator. In and what, guys? What is the next one? Not in. In means what, guys? In a particular range of values, if I want a value, then we'll use in, and then what you have to give? Bracket. In this bracket, values are separated by what?
Comma.
Values are separated by comma. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Value 1, comma, value 2, like that. Value n. Fine. This is what, guys? In. Similarly, not in. If I don't want the value in department 10 or 20, I can use not in. These are called as what, guys? List operator. So again, there is something called as pattern matching operator. And there is something called as pattern matching operator. Yes, guys. So these things we will learn again tomorrow. So what I want you guys is to, first thing what you have to do is, see, the people who learn from, their level is completely different from any other with respect to SQL, because my way of teaching is completely different and the content what I take is completely different. The first thing I want is that this is a query with the answers having 256 queries. Can you see this? Yes or no, guys? Yes, 238 queries. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
So first thing is that when you practice query, just write this question, display all information of EMP table. Okay. So write this, copy this question in a notepad. Okay. And then don't see the answer and then practice, guys. How I want is that just put it here. So can you not tell me what is the output? Display all information from EMP table. What is the output? So what is the query, guys? Can you just tell me? Select star from EMP. So like that, guys, what you have to do is you have to go to this sheet and practice all these 238 queries. Yes or no, guys? See question, after that answer is there. Don't look the answer first. First see the question, try to solve by yourself, and then you can refer the answer, and then you can practice already the
So
software.
where is this document,
This
Vikram?
I'm sharing in WhatsApp, no?
Okay.
So this is the first document I'm sharing with 236 queries with the answer. Next document I will share you is my notes which I have prepared. Now, guys, this is a regular batch and all the demo and all those things are over. So we'll continue with our regular way of teaching, and we'll share everything. Let me just save this. Fine, guys. So this is my SQL queries. Did you all got? This is 236 queries. Yes or no, guys? Yes.
Yes.
This is today's notes. Let me just see. 1902. Okay, let us just go here. 1902. This is today's notes. Yes or no, guys? Fine, guys. Today's notes I have given. Now what I have to share, guys, the SQL material, what we have prepared. Okay, so let us just share you the, this is the SQL material, guys. So guys, don't give my material to anyone. This is very, very specific, and entire thing, whatever I am teaching you guys, it will be prepared, will be present in this material. And see, first we started with the basics of introduction to SQL, all these things. then database explanation, that database, then schema, then tables, then rules to write the SQL queries, how to install the software, then what is a scalar and group function, and then how to select a particular column from a table, where condition, filter condition, and all these are operators, guys. And these are some of the queries, and these are some of the questions. And then, guys, we'll be referring, this is the document. So this document also will be shared to you. Let me just share you. So this is the SQL document, guys. This also I have shared you. SQL document is shared. Today's note is shared. SQL query list is all the queries what you have to prepare, that is also shared. The software is also shared. So start practicing, guys, whatever we have taught you. Okay, and recording is also shared to you guys. And similarly, everyday recording will be shared. Okay, fine, guys. So let me just stop the recording and